There you go, batteries are in. There's the lights on for our remote control. So let's continue. Welcome back to Abner's Reviews. I have another unboxing for you today, guys. And I think you can tell what it is by the picture on the box. Okay, so that is our unit right there. There's the installation diagram. List of components, music plug-in, connection, connect the lines before installing steering wheel, install steering wheel, align the long screw, the hole position, and tighten it with a screwdriver. Power supply. Seat installation. Continue to number 5. Install reflector. Windshield, the RC, code connection according to instructions. So let's get the components out. Okay, so we transferred our Audi toy car parts on our table here. Okay, I believe these are Audi logo stickers. So these are the wheels, right? Okay, they're plastic. They're not like rubber or anything. Okay, so that's 4 wheels right there. Okay, so I believe this is the windshield. I believe those are the side mirrors. I think wheel caps in there and some other parts. Okay, so I believe this is the steering wheel. It has a ready cord right there. So I believe those are the circuitry. Okay, so I believe this is the car seat right here. So the car seat goes here, right? So all those wirings in there goes underneath the car seat, something like that. I will give you a glimpse of the dashboard right here. Digital audio player. Oh wow. Okay, there's a USB interface and an auxiliary port right there. A makeshift dashboard right here. I believe that's the start button. Forward, stop, and back. That's where you install the side mirrors. This one on the left That on the right. I think that's the gas pedal right there. Well, sorry. And those are the doors. And here, so how do you open it? That way. That is a closer look at our windshield. Those are our side mirrors. Those are our wheel caps. That is our charger right there, and that is our remote control right there.
Perfect.
I just went ahead and installed all four wheels. So all four wheels are installed, including the tire caps. Now we are going to install the steering wheel. So in terms of wiring, it's just this wire to be connected to this one. So I think that's simple enough, right? So this is the male connector to the female one. So the female is on the actual steering wheel. So I've just connected the male to the female connector here. Okay? So that's all one circuit now. It goes to our steering wheels and the mechanism of the car. Okay? So all that's left is to align the steering wheel to that screw and put it in place and tighten it up. Okay, so there you go. Steering wheel is installed.
Perfect.
So we just have that one screw underneath that actual steering wheel, and we just push it through to the other side. And then we tighten it up with a screwdriver, and that's it. Okay, so now we have to install the car seat. So aside from these screws on the body right there, and on the other side. What we need to do is remove that plastic cap from the battery so we can install the negative wire on it right here. There. Cap removed. So the terminal is exposed now. What we need to do is just need to connect this one to the terminal. So this is the negative wire. So let's do it right now. All you have to do really is insert it like so. There you go. Now it's properly installed. So now we should be able to power the car. Sorry, our toy car. But first, we need to install our car seat. Okay, so I've already removed both screws from where we will be installing the car seat. But first I wanted to show you the charging terminal for our Audi toy car. So it's right there. So I showed you the charger earlier along with the wheel caps, right? So this is our charging terminal to charge our Audi toy car. So it's just underneath the seat. Okay, so now we install the car seat. Let's go. Okay, so installing the car seat is pretty easy. You just put it on top of the battery and the motors in there, and then remember the two screws we have removed earlier. So we just have to put the screws right here and right here. Car seat installed.
Perfect.
Boom. So it's easy, you just push it in on the slots like so. There. Bam. So there are little tiny slots on the upper part of the dashboard of our Audi toy car. We're just gonna line up these notches on our dashboard to the windshield. Okay, so there we go. Our windshield is now installed. Wow, that looks great, right guys?
Wow.
That's how that looks like. Right there. Okay, so now everything is installed. All that's left is for us to try and power on our Audi toy car. Start button right there, just underneath the steering wheel. Let's go. Wow, there's a sound and it lights up. So the tail lights lights up. Wow. You saw that, right? So the dashboard do have some lights. So that's the USB interface and the auxiliary port right there. So there, you see that it's working? It's all working, right? Oh, okay. Well, the other one. It's also the same. Middle part. Okay, that's already cycled, right? So there you go, guys. And of course our wheels right there. Our cute side mirrors. Steering wheel. Our fancy car seat. And our headlights. All that's left is for us to program the remote control. This one. Right? So there's up and down button right there. In the middle, it's code, stop, and speed. And that's your left and right there. So we'll just have to program this to our car so we can control it via this one. I forgot one little detail. So we still have to put our Audi logo stickers. So we're going to do that and program our RC or our remote control for our Audi toy car. So this is our remote control for our Audi toy car right here. So this one needs 2 AAA batteries right there. Okay, there you go, batteries are in. There's the lights on for our remote control. So let's continue. So now the next step is to power on our Audi toy car, and once we have done that, our remote control right here should flash a light. Okay guys, so to pair the remote of our Audi toy car, all we need to do is press the code button and then turn on our Audi toy car. Okay, so when we do that, these lights right here should flash, indicating that our remote control has been connected to our car. Okay, so that means that our remote control is connected to our car. So let's see if it moves with the remote. Yes, it does. So that's the front wheel. I'm turning it. Okay, so every time you press the button, it would flash like that. Okay, so I'm going to control our Audi toy car with our RC. Okay, so let me show you the front wheels. Yeah. Right. Great. So it's responding well. How about forward and backward? There, backward. There you go. Our RC remote works. So there you go, guys. I would like to remind you that we are currently on our 3,500 subscribers giveaway. So for details on that giveaway so you can join, go to the video right here, and I'll also put it on the video description. So that's it, guys. Please do not forget to like and comment on our video. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell. Select all so you'll get notified when we upload another video. Also follow us on our social media links right here. So that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.